Rape on the rise in Haiti as a tool of community control by rampaging gangsters. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, PNP concerned about government members using personal social media pages to promote state matters. And the police in St. Elizabeth target community experiencing upsurge in violent robberies. There's also the financial week, sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.